Welcome back to Qube, the place where real car stories come alive. If you love legendary machines, powerful off-roaders, and vehicles with attitude, you're exactly where you need to be. Today on Qube, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and talked about SUVs ever made. A name that represents freedom, adventure, and raw American muscle. Today's story is all about the Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol. A symbol of exploration, rebellion, and the desire to go where roads end. When Ford first introduced the Bronco, it wasn't trying to create a luxury SUV or a city cruiser. It was built for people who wanted dirt on their tires, mud on their doors, and stories behind every scratch on the body. From rocky trails to desert dunes, the Bronco was born to conquer nature, not avoid it. The story of the Ford Bronco begins in the mid-1960s, a time when America was changing fast. People wanted adventure, open land, and vehicles that could handle more than just highways. Ford saw an opportunity and decided to build a compact, tough, and versatile off-road vehicle. In 1966, the first-generation Ford Bronco rolled into the world, and from the very first moment, it stood out. It was simple, boxy, and honest. No unnecessary luxury, no flashy design tricks, just pure function and capability. That first Bronco came in multiple body styles, including a wagon, a roadster, and even a half-cab pickup version. Under the hood, it started with a straight 6 engine, later upgraded to V8 power, giving drivers the muscle they needed to tackle rough terrain. Four-wheel drive was standard, something that was still rare at the time. The Bronco wasn't designed to be soft or comfortable. It was designed to be reliable, durable, and unstoppable. As the years passed, the Bronco began building a reputation. Farmers loved it. Adventurers trusted it. Off-road racers pushed it to the limit. One of the biggest moments in Bronco history came when it dominated off-road racing events like the Baja 1000. These victories weren't marketing tricks. They proved that the Bronco was more than a lifestyle vehicle. It was a true off-road weapon. By the 1970s, the Bronco started to grow in size and power. Ford responded to customer demand by making it more spacious and more comfortable while keeping its rugged DNA alive. Bigger engines, stronger axles, and improved suspensions made the Bronco even more capable. It was no longer just a compact off-roader. It was becoming a full-size SUV that could compete with anything on or off the road. The second and third generations introduced more modern features, but Ford never forgot the Bronco's roots. Solid axles, powerful V8 engines, and true four-wheel drive systems remained part of the package. This was the era when the Bronco became a household name across America. It wasn't just a car you owned. It was a car you lived with. In the 1980s and early 1990s, the Ford Bronco reached peak popularity. It became bigger, stronger, and more refined. Fuel-injected engines improved performance and reliability. Interiors became more comfortable, but the Bronco never lost its tough personality. It was still a beast that could climb rocks, cross rivers, and survive conditions that would stop normal vehicles instantly. However, with time came challenges. Changing safety regulations, rising fuel costs, and shifting market demands started to affect large SUVs. In 1996, Ford made the difficult decision to discontinue the Bronco. For fans, it felt like losing a legend. The name disappeared, but the spirit never died. Enthusiasts kept old Broncos alive, restoring them, modifying them, and taking them off-road just like before. The Bronco became a cult classic, with prices of vintage models rising year after year. For more than 2 decades, people begged Ford to bring the Bronco back. Online forums, car shows, and social media were filled with one question: when is the Bronco coming back? Ford listened, and when the announcement finally came, it shook the automotive world. The return of the Ford Bronco wasn't just news, it was a moment. When the modern Ford Bronco was revealed, it exceeded expectations. Ford didn't just revive the name. They revived the soul. The new Bronco was designed from the ground up to be a true off-roader, not a soft SUV pretending to be tough. It came with removable doors and roof panels, just like the original. It featured a body-on-frame construction, solid off-road geometry, and advanced four-wheel drive systems. Under the hood, Ford offered powerful and efficient engines, including turbocharged options that balanced performance and fuel economy. But the real magic of the new Bronco lies in its technology. Features like GOAT modes, which stands for Goes Over Any Terrain, allow drivers to adjust the vehicle's settings for mud, sand, rocks, snow, and more. Locking differentials, disconnecting sway bars, and advanced traction control systems make the Bronco one of the most capable factory off-road vehicles ever built. Despite all this technology, the Bronco still feels raw and mechanical in the best way possible. It doesn't try to hide its toughness. The interior is designed to be washable, durable, and practical. Rubberized floors, marine-grade vinyl seats, and exposed bolts remind you that this is a vehicle meant to be used, not just admired. One of the most impressive things about the modern Bronco is how customizable it is. Ford designed it with modification in mind. Owners can easily add accessories, upgrade suspension components, and personalize their Broncos to match their lifestyle. Whether you're into rock crawling, desert racing, overlanding, or daily driving with attitude, the Bronco can be built to fit your vision. The Bronco also represents competition. Its return directly challenged other legendary off-roaders, and many believe Ford did more than just compete. They raised the bar. The Bronco isn't trying to be the most luxurious SUV on the road. It's trying to be the most capable, the most fun, and the most authentic off-roader you can buy today. Beyond performance, the Bronco carries emotional value. It connects generations. Older fans remember the original models from their youth, while younger drivers see the Bronco as a bold alternative to boring crossovers. It's a vehicle that encourages adventure, exploration, and freedom. Every Bronco feels like an invitation to leave the city behind and find your own path. The Ford Bronco is also deeply connected to American culture. It represents wide open spaces, national parks, dirt roads, and the idea that adventure is always waiting just beyond the horizon. Few vehicles in history have managed to balance heritage and modernity as well as the Bronco has. What makes the Bronco truly special is that it doesn't try to please everyone. It knows what it is. It's loud, bold, and unapologetic. It's not the smoothest ride on the highway, and it doesn't pretend to be. Instead, it focuses on delivering an experience, one that starts the moment you turn the key and doesn't end until the engine cools down after a long day of adventure. In a world where many vehicles are becoming more similar, more digital, and more disconnected from driving itself, the Ford Bronco stands out. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Not because of screens or sensors, but because of the places they can take us and the memories they help create. The Ford Bronco is more than metal, rubber, and horsepower. It's a story that continues to evolve. From its humble beginnings in the 1960s to its powerful modern revival, the Bronco has remained true to its core mission. Go anywhere, do anything, and look good doing it. As we wrap up today's deep dive, one thing is clear. The Ford Bronco is not just back. It's back with purpose. It carries decades of history, passion, and engineering into a future that still values adventure. Whether you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast or someone who simply loves iconic vehicles with real character, the Bronco deserves respect. Thank you for spending your time with Qube. If you enjoyed this deep and detailed journey into the world of the Ford Bronco, make sure to support the channel, because more legendary car stories are coming your way. Stay curious, stay driven, and keep your engines alive. This is Qube, signing off.